Hey guys, I got gifted a smart battery. This is a 12.8 volt, 100 amp hour LiFePO4 battery. Now everybody knows that you can use them for your solar system, your RV, trolling motors, things like that. However, you can also put these in the trunk of your car for charging devices. Like electric scooters, for instance. Also, you can run camping lights off of these as well with a power inverter. Now, I've got a power inverter, and that's exactly how we're going to do it. And I'm going to show you what I got going on as soon as we get this opened up and hooked up. So stick around and we'll get her done. That does come with an operation guide here. Has your connectors here. Nice looking little battery. Does have a handle right here. You pick it up, carry it around. It's not heavy. A little bit heavy, but not nothing like a lead acid battery or the bigger LiFePO4 batteries. But pretty lightweight. This is a mini. It's got some specs right here on the top. I'll put them right here for you to check out. Like I said, it does have your connectors here. Okay, it does have an extra washer. That's nice. So you got 4 different connectors. You'll put those in your post. Basically, you will hook this up and put them right down in there, just like so, and tighten that down. That's all there is to that. Nothing big about that. I'm going to go ahead and get it hooked up and in the back of the car, and then I'm going to show you exactly what I plan on using it for. So you can use it any way you want to. Like I said, trolling motors, RVs, solar panel systems, just whatever. And as you may have noticed, I have a inverter right here. We'll be able to see our voltage, and then we have 2 outlets as well. So let's get it going. Now this is the setup I was talking about. It's so bright out here, you really can't see the numbers here. Let me try my phone. See if we can see it a little better. Now showing 13.10 volts. So that ought to get the job done. So if your battery is getting a little low, you can just head over and get it all juiced up and ready to go again. The sun is just too bright to see the readout here. But it is definitely getting the job done. Between the LiFePO4 battery and the inverter, you don't have to worry about not having power. Now, one of the things I thought about being out here at the lake is that you can also run an electric knife off of this battery and inverter, of course. But camping, RVs, boats, trolling motors. Now you can't use these for a starting battery, but for like your trolling motors, and like I said, charging up an electric scooter or an e-bike, camping lights, just pretty much anything you'd use a regular battery for other than as a starter battery. This LiFePO4 battery will accommodate your needs. So anyway, if you'd like to get one for yourself, I'll put a link down in the description where you can order one today. Also, if you got any value at all out of the video, go ahead and hit that thumbs up button and consider subscribing to the channel if you haven't done so yet. I would appreciate it. I am an Amazon associate, so any qualifying purchases that you may make through any of my Amazon links, I will receive a small commission from. Thanks for watching.